Hello YouTube, this is going to be part 3 of my interface board for a mobile radio. Kind of bear with me here, I have a cold, hopefully I don't lose my voice as I make this video. But this interface board will let you hook up a existing repeater that you cannot get online. Now, there may be times where that repeater can't get online because of maybe the location it's at doesn't get very good cell service. Maybe the repeater is very hard to get to. It's on a mountain. You can't get to it very easily. Or that repeater does not have any data ports, so you cannot physically hook it up to an interface board. This interface board lets you take a 45-watt radio, and as long as you can get any repeater online, as long as you can program the repeater frequency in the radio, and the radio's got to be within range of that repeater. Now, this board does not use any Vox settings. This will let you get zello, date and time, weather announcements, and repeater ID on that repeater. Okay? Now, can this be used as a simplex repeater? Well, we're still doing some testing on that. So again, follow my forum. I'll post a link to this. You can kind of, watch the. I'll be updating as we test it. Now, a simplex repeater, if you're wondering what that is, it's like a parrot. It repeats everything that it hears. So if I say hi, you're going to hear that twice. You're going to hear me originally say hi. It's going to record that and play it back, so you hear it twice. So everything is repeated twice. That's the kind of the only thing about a simplex repeater. Now, like I said, we're still doing some testing on this. So far, it's been working good. If everything tests out like it should, I will make a video on how to purchase this board. Okay. Now, if you're interested in this board, shoot me an email. I won't hold you to it. I'll put my email address in the link below. Now, the models this board will work with, there's 3 models that this thing will work with. And let's move this interface board. Now, the Retevis RT900D, it will work with, the TYT9000D, and the Alinco DR-438. But there's something very important you got to really pay attention to. If you purchase the Retevis RT9000D or the TYT9000D, you're going to have to buy the repeater cable separately. It just plugs onto the circuit board. It's real easy to do. I hope to sell this cable in my store hopefully soon. But you can look on eBay, type in TYT9000 repeater cable, I believe is the term, and you'll find this cable. It will plug into the Retevis RT9000D. It's the same radio. Now, the Alinco comes with this already on there. So just be aware of that. Now, this is the interface board. This is what it's going to, if all goes well, this is what you're going to be getting. Okay, you're going to need to purchase separately a USB DB9 adapter and a USB sound card. Okay, those you got to purchase separately. This would be plug and play. Real simple. You plug these cables into the USB sound card. You plug it into power. You plug this cable in the back of the radio. You do a couple clicks on the software, and away you go. This lets you do zello, date and time, weather announcements, repeater ID. Okay, that's what that's going to let you do. And like I said, follow the forum. I'll post that link, and you can see as I start to test this more and more, I'll be posting in that forum what this can and cannot do. So keep an eye on that. If it all checks out well, I will make a video on how to purchase it. So keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.